Hey friends, I'm Mary Ellen and welcome to Life is Messy but I'm Learning as I Grow. Around here we embrace the beautiful chaos of everyday life, with DIY crafts, plant-based cooking, gardening experiments and family adventures. This channel is all about learning as we grow, celebrating creativity over perfection and finding joy in the process. So whenever you want to try a new recipe, tackle a fun craft, or get inspired to grow something green, this channel is for you. Hit that subscribe button and let's learn, create and grow together. Today we're making a beautiful and budget-friendly solar globe light DIY that's perfect for brightening up your garden or outdoor space. It's a fun, functional project that brings a little extra sparkle to your yard. No wiring or outlets needed. You will need 2 metal wired hanging plant baskets with chains, zip ties, scissors, 1 solar post light, 1 string of solar fairy glow lights, hot glue gun, and glue sticks. Start by taking the hanging chains off your 2-wire planter baskets. Place both planters together with the open sides facing each other to form a round globe shape. Use zip ties to fasten the 2 baskets together. Black zip ties work best as they blend in nicely with the wire. Test to make sure your post light and string of lights work properly. Using a hot glue gun, secure the solar panel of the string lights to the top of the globe. Carefully weave a string of solar fairy lights all around your globe, in and out of the wire structure. Be gentle with the delicate wire to avoid damage. Attach the metal chain to the top of your globe so it's easy to hang. Disassemble the solar post light. Take apart your solar post light. You'll only need the top portion that includes the solar panel and light. Using a hot glue gun, secure the solar post light to the bottom center of the globe. When hanging, this will sit at the bottom like a glowing candle inside. Hang your globe light in a sunny spot so the solar components can charge. Once the sun sets, enjoy the magical glow it adds to your garden. Create ambience for a summer evening. This DIY is as fun to make as it is to enjoy. In life's messes we learn and grow. It's not about perfection, it's about the process. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. You'll find a link to the written instructions in the description. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you next time.